Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Turn your notifications on so you can get the latest recipes. Our recipe today is a grilled steak and grilled shrimp recipe. You're gonna feel like you're eating at a 5-star restaurant, but at the comfort of your home. I'm gonna show you how to make this step by step. Let's get started. Now start out with 2 1/4 pounds of sirloin steak, give or take about 2 to 2.5 pounds, and we're gonna make our rub for it. So for my spices, I have here 1 teaspoon of salt and then half a teaspoon of each, aleppo pepper, which is optional, paprika, white pepper, and black pepper. I'm gonna add it to my bowl. Add them all to your bowl and mix them to make a rub. Before adding our rub, I have here 1/4 of a cup of Worcestershire sauce that we're gonna soak up our steaks with top and bottom. Then add the spices that we mixed together. Make sure you add them on both sides and pat down. Let the steak marinate in the refrigerator for at least 1 to 2 hours before grilling, and then grill to your perfection. Now for our shrimp recipe, I have here 1 pound of jumbo or colossal shrimp that I peeled and took the tail off. I'm gonna add the juices of 1 lemon. Then add half a teaspoon of garlic paste and 1/4 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Give them a good mix, then add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of aleppo pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. Now if you don't have aleppo pepper, you can always replace that with paprika or a spicy paprika. Now, if you like it spicy, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of spicy pepper paste. But if you don't like spicy, you can use the mild. After mixing them well, add 2 tablespoons of chopped Italian parsley and 1 teaspoon of fresh basil leaves that I chopped up. Give it a good mix and let it marinate for at least 1 to 2 hours before grilling. And a good tip for grilling your shrimp, you don't want to grill it for more than 2 to 3 minutes on each side, just so it won't become tough. And of course, grill your steak to your perfection. Thank you for watching this simple and easy recipe. I hope you enjoy making it at home.